One of the great things about sit-on-top kayaks is their stability. That doesn't mean you're not going to end up in the water. With a little bit of technique and a little bit of practice, the sit-on-top recovery is easy to learn and quick to perform. Capsizes can occur at any point, but most often occur when you shift your weight outside of the kayak. As soon as you capsize, it's important to grab a hold of the kayak as quickly as you can. The kayak can easily get away from you in windy conditions. In order to flip the kayak, grab the side nearest to you, lift up the boat slightly and reach under. Pull that side towards you as you push the near side away. Rather than trying to pull yourself vertically out of the water, get your body flat on the surface of the water so that then you can kick and pull yourself up onto the boat. While grabbing the far side of the boat might give you more leverage, grabbing the near side of the boat is often easier. Many people often think you need a lot of upper body strength in order to climb back on the boat. But think about pulling the boat underneath you rather than trying to propel yourself onto it. Once you're on top of the kayak, center your hips over the seat. Keeping your weight low, twist your body around so the feet enter the kayak and you sit upright. Grab your paddle and you're ready to go again. It's better to practice these techniques ahead of time rather than waiting till you capsize. Mastering this recovery will give you more confidence and make you a better paddler. Thanks for watching. For more helpful videos and tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel or check out our website at montereybay kayaks.com. And from everyone here at MBK, happy paddling.